It has my name, Anupam Kher, Priyadarshan ji. It has Manoj Joshi. It has Shrimati. It has we will have to get you.
We'll distribute the list. We'll give you the list.
एक मिनट इंग्लिश पढ़ लो ना ये. हाँ.
Anupam Kher, Madhur Bhandarkar, Wasifuddin Dagar, Narendra Kohli, eminent novelist, and Mr. Dagar is a singer, a Dhrupad vocal. Vasudev Kamath, international painter. In fact, we were very happy to see the painting that he has made of Dada of President Pranab Mukherjee. We were very happy to see the painting in the Rashtrapati Bhavan along with the painter himself. I don't know where. Yeah, ये है. इनकी painting लगी है राष्ट्रपति भवन में प्रणब मुखर्जी साहब की. Then Priyadarshan ji, the eminent director. Manoj Joshi, the theatre and film actor. T.S. Nagabharna, National Integration Award. 3 of his films won the Best Film and National Integration. And then there is R.N. Jody Cruz, that is Tamil writer, novelist and documentary filmmaker. And there is, we had Chief Justice, ex-governor also with us, who has presented very important points. We gave that also, and Baba Sahib Purandare also sent a letter. We have given that letter to also. And also Malini ji, the one very famous singer, folk singer, and the people who have given us, the people who have given us their blessings. I can name them. They are Lata Mangeshkar, Birju Maharaj ji, Ravina Tandon. There is Shivji, Shiv Kumar Sharma ji, Ronu Majumdar, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Rajan Sajan Mishra. So these are the people who have Birju Maharaj ji ka naam le liya. Of course, there are people who have spoken on various platforms about what they think of their awards that have been given to them. Kamal Hassan ji has spoken very, very strongly about it. Yesterday, Om Puri spoke to me personally. But anyway, I don't think name is important. I think the जज्बा जो है उसके पीछे वो important है.
गृह मंत्री ने कहा है कि मैंने निमंत्रण दिया था जो लोग अवार्ड वापस कर रहे थे कि वो मुझसे मिले और बातचीत से मसला हल हो सकता है. मैं दोबारा निमंत्रण देता हूँ कि वो आके मुझसे बात करें. कहाँ इंटॉलरेंस बढ़ रहा है, क्या समाधान है उसका.
जी देखिए, अगर गृह मंत्री ने बोला है और इन्होंने उनसे नहीं मिलना चाहा है तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि this is the way they want to show their fundamental rights. But there are millions of Indians who show their fundamental rights by saying that we are a very tolerant country. I think आप जितने भी प्रेस के लोग हैं या मैं अगर आप में से किसी से भी पूछूं कि क्या आप इस देश को छोड़कर किसी और देश में सेटल होना चाहते हैं तो मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप सबका जवाब नहीं में होगा. If that is what the answer is, that means we live in a great country. We have our issues, we have our problems, we have our incidents. It's been happening for the last 1947. But to defame our country because of that, I think is not very happy situation.